Okay, now you're gonna do some adjustment, some cleanup to the rig, so it will look neat and tidy. Just we just pretty much gonna clean out all the outliner and create a transform control that gonna control the whole rig and make it look nice. Alright, first you're gonna create a transform control. Just create anywhere on the grid and set all the translation into 0 because we want it to be in the center. And okay. Right. First thing you're gonna rename this controller as a transform control. Okay. Transform control. Next thing is when I create a group, just hit Ctrl G to create a group and name it as a Ringo G. Ringo same for the character and G is for the group, and create another group. Name it as a Ctrl G. One more group and name it as skeleton G. Okay. This Ringo G is supposed to be the whole group for the Ringo, and the control G is where we're going to put all the controller into this group, and skeleton G is for all join in this group. We start by putting the root into the skeleton. Okay, and then left control. I'm gonna bring all the controller into the control G. Left okay, bring it to control G. Okay, we're gonna leave the IK stuff outside first. Then this is foot control. Foot control for on the controller. Yeah. Left knee PV for on the controller. Control J. Hip control for also on the control J. Head control. Control G. Left shoulder control under control G also. Left wrist control also under control G. What's nubs cube? This is a mess, so we don't need it, so just delete it. Right shoulder control under the control G. Hopefully I'm doing this thing right. Right wrist control under control G. Right knee PV, yeah, under control G. Right foot control also under control G. Okay, I have a like snapshots of my previous work, so I'm just gonna refer it back to see if I'm doing it right. Okay, so the transform control is gonna fall under Control G. So under the Control G, we're gonna create another group. It's called just hit Control G anyway. It's gonna create a group called undo it back. So under the Control G, don't create anyway, just create a group. Call it as control underscore double G, and bring it into the Control G. So I guess most of the controller here, except for the transform control, will fall under Control GG. Okay. The next thing is you want so that when we move the hip, the hand will also follow. So we're gonna create a control group for the hand. Just select the controller for the hand. So you just need to test the rig first. Alright. Something we forgot to do. We have to assign a point constraint into this into the controller here. Constraint point. Let's reset setting. Maintain the offset. Same goes here. Will follow. Good. Okay. We're gonna group this controller into just select all these three and hit Control G, and we're gonna move the pivot of the new group into the hip. We're gonna name it as left hand left hand Control G. Okay. Same thing we're gonna do here. Select all these three and hit Control G. Then we're gonna move the pivot of the new control into the hip. I'm gonna rename it as right and Control G. Okay. So you want this control the whole. Oh sorry, don't forget to specify the control. So alright, it's good. So we kinda want the hand control to follow the hip control whenever it does the transformation something. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna parent just gonna refer back. I'm gonna parent the hand control into the hip control. Okay, so you're gonna select the group and then control. So you shift select the controller, the hip control. So you're gonna have to select the hip first and then select the group. And then we're gonna constrain parent, just reset setting and add. Now you're gonna see if it follow. So the hand kind of follow. It follow. Okay, good. Then the next thing is gonna select again the hip control and control select the right hand, select hip and control select the right hand, control G, and apply the constraint parent and add. So now the hands will follow. Okay. We're gonna continue the setting on the next video. Alright.